Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log into Danske Bank account on your desktop. If you've enrolled for your online banking account on Danske Bank and you'd like to get access to your account by logging into it, then keep watching the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the web address bar at the top of the screen, go ahead and type in www.danskebank.co.uk and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official website of Danske Bank, which looks like this. From this page, go to the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see a log on button. Give it a click in order to bring up a pop-up. Choose whether you'd like to log into your personal account or your business account. In my case, I'll be choosing the personal tab. Go ahead and select any one of your choice and click on the e-banking option in order to end up in the login area. Right where it says log on, you'll need to enter your user ID in the first text field. Make sure to type it in correct, and after you are done, head over to the passcode field and type in your password. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon at the right corner of the password box. Once you are done typing your information is correct, you can click on the continue button and you'll be logged into your online banking account for Danske Bank. With your online banking account, you'll be able to access your account informations, check your balance, view your transactions history, and much more. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.